Okay, so Kaspa finally is going to be listed on Kraken. What means there will be more exchange, tier 1 exchange who are going to list Kaspa in the near future. So if you go and check on Kraken website, you will see, and if you go to listing roadmaps, you will see that Kaspa is right there, and well done to Kraken. Finally, somebody to list Kaspa on tier 1 exchange. I know everybody wants to list, but first of all, the reason is why they don't list the Kaspa. That's the question, is nobody know. I know they want money and all the stuff, but the team from Kaspa, they said, listen, we don't pay for any more exchange to be listed. They need to check the value and they need to list by themselves, because it's not just the listing price, just the price to be listed, because they also need to provide liquidity, what will be in a lot of millions probably, according to me. Now let's check and let's go and digging up for Kaspa. So Kaspa at the moment is number 24 on CoinGecko. The question when will be between number 5 and 10 is just a matter of time. I believe in the next 1 year, maybe 2 years, don't be surprised if we see Kaspa in the top 10 and probably in the top 5. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Kaspa. I think that's, and maybe Tong token. I think that's BNB. This will be the top 5-6 tokens, according to myself, for the next bull market. Okay, so let's go and let's dig in up to get more information about Kaspa, maybe the price prediction and what the heck is happening with Kaspa. If you never watch any of my video, please subscribe and like, and also watch this video. I will going to leave the link down in the description. It's called Kaspa versus Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum blocks per second. I compare with almost 6-7 different blocks chains, and you will see how fast are blocks per second on Kaspa. Now, if you go to the tweet of Kaspa, you will find this tweet, what is exactly the same tweet what I show you right now on Kraken listing. And also, before we go anywhere, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. This is only my personal opinion, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. And also, if you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, please watch. I'm the only YouTuber out there in the DeFi crypto space who I'm helping the poor people in the Philippines, India, and Africa. I'm going to leave some video links in the description. Check them out. It's only going to take you like 3 minutes. It's mean the world to me, and leave me a comment. Okay, so I told you about my expectation for Kaspa when going to hit number 5 or number 6 or maybe number 3 on CoinGecko. Now, if you see Kaspa, if you just open, you will see that the total supply of Kaspa it's around 28 million tokens, which means 85% of the total supply is out. That's huge. And the next 15%, if I'm not mistaken, they're going to be minted for the next many years to come. So let's go and let's dig it up a little bit more. We have the trading volume. What right now is $134 million for trading volume. This is on CoinMarketCap, but if you're going to CoinGecko, we have $110 million trading volume for 24 hours. Just imagine and just understand there are few tier 1 exchange who need to list Kaspa, like Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, we have Gemini, and also crypto.com. Now, Kraken going to list this one, this token. I will don't be surprised if the price, going to be around 20, 30, 40, 50% up from today's price when I'm doing this video. Now, then going to be a domino effect. Then we're going to have Binance, we're going to have Coinbase is the last one. But why they don't list it? Just imagine how big piece of this pie of the trading fees they're going to have. They're going to make up all the money what they're waiting to be given for listing and providing liquidity. Probably they're going to make in 24 or maybe just hours or maybe just few days time, because the trading volume going to explode in that on the exchange. We're going to list Kaspa like first. So we have 5 big exchanges what needs to list Kaspa. What means if every exchange, according to me, that's my personal opinion, if the price go 20, 30, 40%, well, don't be surprised if this number right here going to hit maybe at least $1. And there are many crazy speculation and many crazy price prediction that Kaspa can hit 10, 15, $20. I'm not seeing that price right now for the next bull market. Don't be surprised if I see Kaspa between $2 and maybe $5, what's mean around 10, 15, 20, 30x from right now. But even if this hit around $1.5, I will be the happiest person in the world. We talk about for the next bull run, what is coming hopefully within the next less than 12 months time. And don't forget, Kaspa is no VCs, no team tokens, fair launch, and the community is absolutely huge. This is the closest token what we have next to Bitcoin. What's mean it's meant to go already skyrocket. There are many people who love Kaspa, and I'm also thanks to my amazing admin who introduced me to Kaspa, and I was able to buy way back, and I'm still buying around 0.12 cents. I didn't buy on the last dip, but it is what it is. If you go and check the price right now, it's minus 20% from all-time high, but I will don't be surprised for this price to skyrocket very, very soon. And of course, if you decide to buy some kind of miner for Kaspa, one of the best miner what I find out when I meet them in Token 2049 in Dubai a few months ago. And also if you're coming to Singapore, let me know, or use the code down in the description to get a discount for Token 2049. I'm using Jingle Miner. If you want to get some great miner, go there, go click for contact us, and go and chat with this lady right here, with Lillian, and just tell her CryptoPhil send you, and she will give you the biggest discount for any miner out there on their website. And you have 6 months warranty for every miner. I just bought a miner for a lithium also like a few days ago. All right, so Lillian is the person to get you the biggest discount, but you must tell her CryptoPhil send you. You have her email, her phone number, her WhatsApp, her Telegram, and everything out there. So that's about me for Kaspa. You let me know down in the comment section what you think will be the price prediction for the next bull market. When Bitcoin hit over 100K, what will be the price of Kaspa token, and when will be listed on some major exchange. All right, thank you so much. God bless. I should see you in the next one.